You know what nobody tells you about being a woman over 50? Everything. No one hands us a manual for the second half of our life. So today, we're writing our own. Hey friends, it's Angie. If you've been here for a while, you know me as Angie Resells, the eBay girl, the auction girl, the thrifting girl. But today I'm kind of turning the page. I'm changing the channel and stepping into a new version of myself, and I'm inviting you to come along with me. So it's not just a rebrand, it's kind of a whole new season of my life, and maybe yours too. So let's be real, life after 50 is different. I've been through some things. A divorce that left me $70,000 in debt, raised 2 teenage girls by myself, and then just feeling lost when I became an empty nester, losing 150 pounds and still feeling stuck in my body, discovering my dad's declining health and realizing time is real, worrying about mom's mobility and the future, blowing through my savings after multiple surgeries, feeling overwhelmed and alone, like I was constantly behind. And through it all, I've changed. But my channel didn't. And it's time. Listen, I don't want to pretend I care about showing you what's sold on eBay, when what I really want to talk about is the messy, complicated, beautiful midlife that no one prepares us for. I wanted a place where women 45 and over feel seen, where we can talk about things we keep bottled up, where we could start fresh together. So here's what this new version of Angie Resells is all about. Midlife motivation. You can feel, not fluffy quotes, not drink more water and manifest it. No, real talk from a woman who's lived it. Starting over more than once, because guess what? Starting over isn't a failure. Starting over is proof you didn't give up. So we're going to declutter the house, not the Pinteresty pretty kind, no perfection, just letting go of our crap, physical, mental, emotional, all the stuff's weighing us down. Talk about my debt-free journey, round 2, because I already became debt-free. Life knocked my ass down, and now I'm climbing up with grace. I want to talk about how walking saved my life and mom's life, how small habits will change your life. And then shit nobody talks about after 50. Retina detachment with no symptoms, friendships changing, feeling lonely in a full house, rediscovering my purpose. We're talking about all of it. Empowering women 45 and older to have the life that they want with a purpose. You still have a story. There was a moment for me, a real quiet moment, where the switch flipped for me. So I was standing in my bathroom, exhausted after a long day, wearing a towel that I've had since I was over 300 pounds. A towel I kept because it was the only one big enough to fit me back then. And it hit me. How many things in my life am I still holding on to that belong to the old me? Old habits, old fears, old beliefs, old limits. I wrapped a regular towel around me and it fit. And I cried. Not because of the towel, but because I realized I've outgrown so much of who I used to be. And I wasn't letting myself admit it. That's when I knew this channel can't stay the same. I can't pretend I'm still the same woman, and neither should you. So if you're a woman over 45 who feels anything, stuck, overwhelmed, invisible, tired, behind, lost, like your purpose is fuzzy, like you're ready for more but you don't know where to start, then this channel is for you. You're not behind. You're not too late. You're not done. You're in the perfect place for a comeback. And I'm going to help you get there one messy, honest, beautiful day at a time. So if you're ready to start your second act, subscribe. Tell me your age and where you're watching from. And then comment me one thing you want to change next year. Because we're building a real community here. Women supporting women, women cheering women on, women lifting women up. I'm so thankful you're here, and I can't wait to grow with you. Progress over perfection every damn day. See you next time.